In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a clean professional poster in Photoshop. We'll start by opening a new document and choosing a poster size. In Photoshop, go to File, then New. From the presets, pick a standard poster size like A3 or A4, or enter a custom width and height if you already know your dimensions. For print, set the resolution to 300 pixels per inch for crisp results. If you're designing for print, choose CMYK color mode. For digital sharing, RGB is perfect. Pick a portrait or landscape orientation based on your content, then create the document so you have a clean canvas to work with. Next, add a background. You can keep it simple with a solid color by adding a solid color fill layer and choosing a tone that complements your theme. For more depth, try a gradient with subtle transitions so text remains readable. If you prefer an image background, place a high-resolution photo and scale it to cover the canvas. Reduce brightness or add a slight blur if the image competes with your message. The background should support, not distract. Now insert images or logos. Go to File, then Place Embedded, select your image, and it will drop in as a smart object so you can resize without quality loss. Use the corner handles to scale proportionally and position it where it best supports your layout. Keep logos clear and give them breathing room. Align key elements along edges or guides for a tidy professional look. Add text using the text tool for your title and details. Click to type your headline, choose a strong, legible font, and set the size to establish hierarchy. Then add supporting details like dates, locations, or a short tagline. Maintain contrast between text and background. If needed, place text on a subtle shape or add a soft shadow to improve readability. Keep line spacing and letter spacing comfortable so everything is easy to scan. Arrange the layout to keep things clear and balanced. Group related elements, align edges, and use consistent margins. Let your headline lead the eye, then guide viewers to the details. Use white space intentionally. It makes the design feel clean and focused. Step back and do a quick check. Is anything crowded, crooked, or competing for attention? Adjust until the design feels harmonious. Finally, save and export. Save a PSD file so you can edit later for sharing or printing. Export as JPEG, PNG, or PDF. JPEG is great for photos, PNG for crisp graphics or transparent areas, and PDF is often preferred